of the biggest advantages of the FastPrep-24 5G is its easy-to-use touchscreen, giving you a true walk-away experience. When the instrument starts, the home screen shows four main options: recommended programs, saved programs, program manually, and admin tools. Tap Recommended Programs to see 72 pre-programmed protocols grouped by sample type. Use the arrows to scroll through the pages until you find your category. Let's say you choose plants. You'll see subtypes like leaves, roots, or seeds. Tap a subtype to open its details, including speed, adapter type, and runtime. You can accept these settings or make quick adjustments before running. Once you're ready, press Run. Follow the on-screen prompts to load your samples, secure the adapter, and close the dome. The system will guide you step by step. Saved Programs lets you quickly run protocols you've used before. No need to re-enter settings. Program Manually gives you full control. Set your speed, adapter type, and runtime, then scroll through all pages to adjust extra settings. Admin Tools is where you set the date and time, register for software updates, and access advanced features. For more tips and advanced features, refer to the user manual or visit our website at www.mpbio.com.